Following the cleaning stage, the rice bran is subjected to steaming and cooking in specialized cookers. This step is crucial as it stabilizes the enzymes present in the rice bran, preventing oxidation and rancidity of the oil. After cooking, the material is pressed using screw presses or expellers to extract the crude oil. These presses are engineered to handle the unique characteristics of rice bran. Once the crude oil is extracted, it enters the refining phase. This involves several sub-processes including deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Each of these steps utilizes specific equipment such as centrifuges, filters. Throughout the entire process, automation and control systems play a vital role in monitoring and adjusting parameters such as temperature, pressure, and flow rates. This ensures consistent product quality and maximizes efficiency. Additionally, the production line incorporates safety measures and environmental controls to manage byproducts and minimize ecological impact. Overall,